Namaste everyone. More than 1 billion people in the world are suffering from high blood pressure. First, we used to listen only elderly people get high blood pressure, but now this is not the case. Now, the people below 35 years also are suffering from blood pressure problems. This is due to our current lifestyle. We are always in a hurry. We are under stress. We have to meet certain deadlines. We are suffering from anxiety and running all the time. And we are all around the gadgets, not having peace of mind. Everywhere we go, our mind is working all the time because we are carrying gadgets everywhere with us. In yoga, I will be telling you today 3 things which can help you to control, and also if you practice them regularly, you can get rid of this problem. So first is normal meditation. Not just take out 5 minutes or few minutes. Just sit down, close your eyes, and just follow your breath. Close your eyes and just sit and feel the breath, how it's going in and out. Your monkey mind might be giving you so many thoughts during this time, but try to concentrate on the breath. So this is very simple meditation which each and everyone can do. Second, I'm telling you one pranayam. It's called Chandra Bhedan pranayam. Chandra is the moon. So the left nostril resembles the moon. That is the calmness or the coolness. So in Chandra Bhedan pranayam, what we do is we just breathe in from the left nostril, and then we exhale from the right nostril. So you keep on repeating. So do it 30 times or 5 minutes. So 3 times a day. So this will help you in reducing the blood pressure. Third is very simple. Just lying down on the bed in Shavasana and mentally, consciously, without sleeping, relaxing each and every body organ from inside the organs and your body outside. So try this, and I'm sure this will help you in reducing the blood pressure. Thank you and have a nice day.